Hi everyone, welcome you all. Hope you all are fine. Me Trideep and I am back with a new video. So today's video is a crafting video and this is my jute craft. So in this craft I used jute sheet and jute thread. So if you want to make a craft like this, please watch this video till the end.
Queen, I'm a queen.